often do you pay excess baggage rates only because you try to fit virtually everything you own in one bag? Whether you're traveling for a week, month, or even a year, the general rule applies. Keep it to one bag. You may feel odd, but there are several good reasons to travel light. No extra fees. No waiting around at the carousel. It's easier to move, and you'll spend less time repacking. So how do you master traveling light? Here are some ideas. Plan ahead. Planning is everything. Pack essentials. Clothes, comfortable shoes, personal items. Don't forget your passport. Weigh your bag when you're done. Find a backpack with a capacity up to 45 liters. Anything larger won't fit in an overhead bin. Get packing cubes. They allow you to compartmentalize your belongings and reduce the space items take up in your bag. Use them on one trip instead of checking a bag, and they've already paid for themselves. Want to learn more? Check out more actionable steps below.